How to print a long page, such as an oil well log, to one continuous TIFF image with TIFF Image Printer 12. We frequently receive inquiries about whether or not you can use TIFF Image Printer to convert oil well logs to TIFF without breaking the oil well log into multiple pages. And the answer is yes, you definitely can. An oil well log is one long page that needs to be converted into a single TIFF image that is equally long. Oil well logs can be converted to TIFF images using TIFF Image Printer 12 by creating a custom paper size and enabling trimming. Begin by creating a custom profile that you want applied during conversion. The profile is a group of settings that will create the output image you want. Double-click on the TIFF Image Printer icon on your desktop to launch the TIFF Image Printer dashboard. If you have removed the TIFF Image Printer icon from your desktop, you will find it by selecting Start and scrolling down to TIFF Image Printer. Select Edit and Create Profiles. Select Add Profile. Name the profile something you will recognize. In this example, I will call it Demo Profile. You also have the option to add a custom description. On the Printer Overrides tab, under Force Paper Size, enable Use the following form or custom paper size. Then you will need to enter the paper size for your long page. For this example, we will use the size 8.5 inches by 100 inches. If your page size varies in length as they do for oil well logs, you will need to set the height to the maximum possible length of the page. This will create a varying amount of white space at the bottom of your oil well log, which we will remove using a trimming feature. Go to the Page Editing tab and scroll down to Trim Existing Margins by Color Intensity. Select the bottom arrow to enable trimming and ensure that the color intensity is set to white. This means that TIFF Image Printer will trim your files from the bottom of the page until it reaches the first pixel that is not white. Click Save and Back and close the Profile Manager. If you wish to make this profile the default profile used by TIFF Image Printer, select Manage Printers. Beside TIFF Image Printer, drop the box for the profile and select Demo Profile as the default profile. Save your changes. Printer Management also allows you to rename the printer and create multiple copies of the printer. Close Printer Management and the dashboard. Now when you print your oil well logs to TIFF Image Printer, you will create one continuous TIFF image of varying lengths depending on the length of the original oil well log. Try out our TIFF Image Printer for yourself and see how easy and effective it really is. Follow the link below to download a free trial.